this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple turmeric thyroid tea that will increase energy levels, flush your body of harmful toxins and have a healthier thyroid gland. I will explain the benefits of having this super simple drink as part of a regular diet and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy drink consists of only 6 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 tablespoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and you can add some boiling water. Once all the contents have been gathered, add to the cup and you can pour in the boiling water and then mix until you have a consistent texture, while also allowing to cool before you consume. This super and healthy tea is packed full of nutrients, so it's perfect for detoxing the body while also increasing for a healthier thyroid gland. This is a simple drink that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised how good it tastes. It gets your day off to a great start, helps to satisfy your appetite and gives you increased energy. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to get you started. Again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.